technology is considered to be the transformation that will determine the fate of future economy across the world. As drones gradually take the center stage in India, the government does not want to leave any stones unturned in their attempt to bring changes in the lives of ordinary people with the successful use of drones. It is a revolution in the true sense of the term. It opens a wide door of opportunities to revolutionize the transport sector holistically. Couple of months back, the union government showed their concrete resolve by putting out the nation's first drone policy in the public domain. Taking cue from it, the nation's most prestigious IIT Guwahati has taken a lead by installing India's first center of drone research in the campus, allowing thousands of young minds to research about the wide prospects of drones which can bring ease in the lives of people. According to media reports, on 9th November 2021, Union Minister of State for Civil Aviation, General VK Singh, launched India's first Center for Excellence in Research on Drone and Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Technology and Artificial Intelligence. Also, a skill development center for drone UAV operation and maintenance at IIT Guwahati. The center aims to assist technology offers into the remote and difficult terrains along the northeastern regions. Besides, Dr. VK Singh also inaugurated Axom Drone Port, a place to station drones. It will be used to support cargo drones delivering urgent medical and emergency supplies or precious supplies to remote areas of the northeast. Along with the technology incubation hub where research on underwater drones is being carried out, this center will utilize the diverse expertise available across this institute to provide thrust in the development of drones and unmanned aerial vehicles, software platforms, data collation and analysis, as well as creating broad application base. This Center of Excellence addresses a broad spectrum of technical and social concerns related to drone technology. It has been established with the vision to design and develop the most advanced indigenous drones for solving the Northeast region's most persistent problems and contributing to the nation's technological achievements. According to an official press note, the center will also provide technical training to operate the drones. It will also be responsible for the training of rules and regulations, thereby creating a career opportunity for the youth of these regions and adopting drone technology for the benefit of common people living in difficult terrain. The IIT Guwahati Center for Excellence for Drones and Artificial Intelligence will address the technical and social concerns related to drone technology as already said. The Center for Research will also assist innovators and startups in their research and development activities. Two drone-based startups are setting up their labs at IIT Guwahati Research Park. To be a part of the unprecedented innovation story of India, please subscribe the channel to motivate us to bring more of these innovative stories just for you. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Jai Hind.